Yan. So, nandito kami sa Paris ngayon. We're here in Paris. And I'm in front of our hotel. Katatapos ko lang mag-breakfast. And I'll walk a little para explore itong neighborhood na to. And as usual, isa simbahan. O, diba? Ang taray by the window si Kuya. Excuse me? Meron talagang dirty part dito sa Paris. There's a dirty part and there's a clean part. Anyway, almost all of cities in the world have that parts, right? Boulangerie. What does that mean? Boulangerie. Artissimo. I had my breakfast now. I don't know to taste everything. Just like one. Thank you. Thank you so much. O, diba? Courteous driver. Diba? Beautiful. Beautiful flowers. Kasi nasa springtime na. And look at that. Ha? Oh, ha? Ganda, eh. And who is that? Oh, ha? Oh, diba? Oh, very beautiful flowers. Nice place, no? Pilipinas, may ganito ka ba? In Baguio, Burnham, bakit wala kang ganito? Ito simbahan lang, ang ganda na ng mga bulaklak. At hindi pa mukhang nakapat, talagang nasa plot of land. Talaga pinagsipagang gawin. Hindi mas madaming turista sa Baguio sana sa Burnham pag ganyan. Sa Rose Garden. Diba pwede naman sila mag-add ng variety of flowers. Ibis Hotel. Oh. Diba ang damit ko naloloka sa akin yung mga kasama kong nag-tour. Ako ang pinakamaliit, parang wala pa sa 1/4 ng bagahe nila. Diba? I just changed my shirt and my pants. That's it. Diba? Uulitin lang ng isang beses yung pants basta hindi madumi. Ganun mag-travel lalo na kung nagbabudget sa pangbayad ng luggages. You don't have to show the world that you can afford to and to pay. Kasi ang nagiging parang parang show of wealth or parang status symbol ang travel Parang hindi na parang it's traveling today in the Philippines only, maybe traveling is becoming a status symbol, no? For those who are what we call mayabang or who are arrogant. But the main purpose of travel for other people is to relax, to go away from the everyday stress caused by people around them or caused by their businesses or livelihood. And that's my purpose, to go away from possible death and stress from the people around me in the Philippines. Diba? Taray. Look at that. They have a square. There, I have a face na naman ano pa? 8, 9, and 10. What is that? It looks like a special place, huh? pang elite na hotel. And maybe I think I have to go. No?